Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to bring you these lovely goodies that I have been sent so kindly in Happy Mail. Feeling really spoilt yet again, so thank you so much. If I just share kind of these beautiful napkins first of all. These lovely napkins were sent to me by Pat, and so I really appreciate them. They're all designs that I haven't seen before. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, if you watch my channel a lot, you'll know that I absolutely love Eiffel Tower images. So aren't these absolutely gorgeous? And actually, I haven't ever seen napkins for sale in this shape before. They're, you know, all the ones that I've kind of ever seen are always just square ones. So these are really great because they're just perfect for tags and things. And when I unfold them, they're literally, you know, they're that design, but like 3 times down the napkin. So they're just absolutely perfect for pockets and tags and things like that. So absolutely gorgeous. I really love them. Thank you so much, Pat. And I will be using these. I did say recently, I do tend to just hoard things that people gift me because I can't quite bring myself to use things. And then it was actually Pat, really, who kind of spurred me on and made me realise that, you know, of course people are sending these things because they would like to see you use them. So I'm going to try not to hoard these things, and I'm actually going to try and make use of some of these things, and yeah, try my best not to hoard them. But aren't they just gorgeous? I love these ones, don't you? Just beautiful. I haven't seen any of these designs anywhere over here. We're very you know, don't have a good selection of napkins in the stores, so I tend to just buy mine from eBay when I've bought napkins. But I haven't ever seen any of these designs. Love these pink flowers, and I love this napkin. I do have some napkins very similar to this, but they're different colorways and things, but they've got a very similar looking bird and they've got the script and things, and they're probably my favorite napkins. So these are just, oh, like to die for. I absolutely love them. They're just gorgeous. I really do love them. So thank you so much, Pat. Just really do love them all. Thank you very much. So I'll just put those to one side, and then I also received this gorgeous Happy Mail from Lisa, which was so kind of her, and she also gifted me these gorgeous rings, which aren't they just lovely? Just up my street. And she also gifted me this beautiful ring as well. I have to confess, this one was a little bit big. Well, it was quite big, so what I did was I actually kind of cut the back, so I'm hoping that that's going to be okay, because obviously I needed to then squash it in to make it fit on my finger. But isn't it absolutely lovely? I mean, they're just my type of thing. So thank you so much, Lisa. And then look at this incredible gift that she has made for me. I just was so thrilled with this. It's this beautiful pouch which she has made. It looks like it's a kind of file folder that she's altered, and it's just the most amazing workmanship has gone into this. She's got these gorgeous gold photo corner edge pieces. She's got a little envelope here, all this beautiful lace, and she's even got this lovely safety pin here with some pearls. I mean, I haven't ever seen that done. What a fantastic idea. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? And she's obviously used lots of my digis here. So, oh, I was so touched. I love seeing how people use my digis in kind of different ways and how they mix things together. And yeah, I really was so touched by this. Thank you so much, Lisa. And she's made this lovely wax seal here, which is just absolutely awesome. It's got a magnet closure, which I love those magnet closures. I've only ever done one, I think, once or twice, and yeah, they're really cool. So I must have more goes at doing that. And then on the back, she's also included this gorgeous pocket, and she's just popped in some of my journaling cards, and she's just glossy accented where the butterflies are. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. Don't they look beautiful? I really just, oh, love everything about this. It's just so pretty. And she's put more of the gold corners on here. She's got a little vellum envelope there, and then tucked this ticket in. Oops, I just want to be so careful just not to tear anything. And again, this has got one of my tickets, and then she's glossy accented over, again, the flowers. I don't know whether the camera's picking that up, but it's so lovely. I just, oh, was so thrilled. So definitely this is going in my hoarding pile. Yeah, I keep kind of all my special things. I've got my journal that Laura made me and things, and I keep them all together. So this is just absolutely awesome. I just absolutely love it. And I love how she's done this cover. This is using my blue velvet papers, but oh, I just think they look so pretty. And she's put this tiny envelope on here, and then she's got this gorgeous tile on here, which again, I don't know whether you can see, but it's glossy accented. And I love this nameplate here. I can't remember what you call these things, those machine things that punch out the letters. I have got one somewhere. I don't know where mine is actually, but I haven't used it for a really long time. But isn't that an awesome way to finish a journal off? So yeah, I really, really just love everything about this. And then she's got this gorgeous binding here on the side, which is just stunning. And then going inside, I mean, this is just such a piece, you know, beautiful piece of work, because it's obviously quite small and, you know, very delicate. I would struggle a lot to have made something so delicate as this, but look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I just absolutely love everything about this. It's just so, so pretty. Then she's got here this gorgeous, what would you call this? Like a cigarette card kind of shape, but she's then got like a specimen slide type thing going on there. Oh, I just absolutely love it. It's so cool. And then again, she's got like a little envelope here. I'm not sure whether this one actually opens or not, and I don't want to kind of pull it about, but absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. Love all this stamping here, then this delicate tracing paper. Oh, I mean, it's so pretty. I really do absolutely love this. I don't know what paper that's printed on, but that's really nice. It just is lovely. I love everything in here. It's just so wonderfully made. I really do love it. And everything looks so old and, you know, kind of handle with care. It's all to treasure. It's just absolutely lovely. Yeah, really feeling very spoiled here. Lovely paper bag. Oh, just everything. I'm so thrilled. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, it's so beautifully crafted. You know, I've only ever made one or two tiny kind of journals and things. And to be honest, I mean, you look at them and kind of think, oh, it's only small. It you know, probably didn't take that long. But I mean, they take the same amount of time, obviously, as a big piece, because the same amount of work goes in. And for me, definitely, they're just so fiddly to make because everything's tiny that actually I find them very, very tricky. But this is so exquisite and smells lovely too. I don't know what she's kind of sprayed on here or maybe kept it in something, but it smells delicious. Absolutely lovely. And look, how cool is that? I don't know whether this is, I don't know, an original maybe? I just absolutely love everything about this. It's just gorgeous. And yeah, I mean, if only this was smelly vision and you would also be able to drink in the lovely smell, because it just is lovely. It smells a bit citrusy, kind of oranges, but more like, I don't know, tangerine-y. Really lovely anyway. Look at her lovely cute paper clips and, oh, the whole thing, it's just literally exquisite. I really love it. I love this. I love this pocket down the side with the netting. So pretty. So pretty. I just love it. Another piece of that bag there. Oh, isn't that so sweet? Yeah, it's just gorgeous. Really, really love it. Another one of those sort of specimen slide pieces there. Oops. There we go. Aren't they just so cool? so cool. I just really love it. Really, really love it. Yeah. So what with that and my napkins, I'm feeling truly spoiled again. So, I mean, I know I've said this before, but I'm so touched by the kindness of you lovely ladies. It's just incredible. Really, really, really kind. Yeah, so I'm feeling truly spoiled again. Look at that tag. Isn't that just so stunning? That striking combination. I love it with the pink and with the blue tucks all in there. Oh, I just love it. Really gorgeous. So yes, I'm feeling truly spoiled again. So thank you so much. And I just couldn't wait to come on and share these lovely treats that I had received. And as I say, I will be doing something with those napkins in a future video. I'm just kind of, you know, thinking of some nice projects to do. And yeah, I just really am thrilled to bits with everything. I might have a bash at something like this, although it is quite tiny and I would, you know, would struggle to handle the fiddly kind of tiny bits. But yeah, I couldn't wait to come on and share it with you all, and feeling so spoiled. So thank you so much, Lisa, and thank you, Pat. I really appreciate it, and just, you know, to think of me like that is really kind of you. So thank you very much. Hope you guys loved my lovely goodies to share with you. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Thanks, Em. Bye.